A civil authority has issued local area emergency for the following counties or areas. Hennepin MN, Ramsey MN, at 12:26 p.m. on August 12, 2024 effective until 5:26 p.m. A cell phone outage is currently affecting the Twin Cities area, including Minneapolis, St. Paul, Bristol, New Hope, Bloomington, Edina, Maple Grove, Brooklyn Grove, Roseville, and Arden Hills. Persons are encouraged to use a landline or a supported business phone to make calls, especially to 911. Emergency services are aware of the issue and are working to resolve it as quickly as possible.